Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner for our English video today. We are going to be continuing our practice of words of food and going into a few fruit today. So we're going to be talking about words that are fruit. Let's go ahead and get started with apple, banana, orange.
Apple, banana, orange, apples,
Apples,
bananas,
bananas,
oranges,
oranges, with the S on each. That's more than one.
apple, orange, banana, apple,
Apple,
orange,
Orange,
banana,
Banana,
oranges,
oranges,
apples, bananas,
Hey Michael, do you want an apple?
one apple,
No, I want a banana.
one banana, next one is going to be lemon, grapes, pear.
lemon, grape, pear, grapes, pears,
Grapes, lots of grapes.
grapes, lemons,
More than one lemon is lemons.
lemons, pears, lemon,
Lemon,
grape,
Grape,
pear,
Pear, lemons,
lemons,
grapes,
grapes,
pears.
pears,
Hey Addison, what are you eating?
This is grapes.
I am eating grapes. They are my favorite fruit. What are you eating?
Pear, one pear.
I am eating a pear.
pears, lemons, grapes,
That'll be it for today. We did apple, banana, orange, lemon, grape, and pear. Grapes, actually. We will do these two next week. Thank you for joining me. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring for our English lesson where we did some fruits practice. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.